Hello, today we're in Corby, and more specifically a project called Station Quarter, which is filled with Sertus products. Sertus worked closely with Gallico Systems on this project, and the Sertus products within the project are dampers, roof vents, and a mechanical pod. And we supported by providing the technical data and of course the products. We met to discuss and agree the products that would be used and to scope out the application on site. What more is there to say? Here's the end product. And to finish off, here's some quotes from our client.